Something strange is happening to young men today. More people feel tired. More people feel unmotivated. More people feel mentally weak, distracted, and lost. But what if modern lifestyle is silently destroying men's energy? What if the real problem is deeper than people realize? Testosterone is one of the most important hormones in the male body. It affects energy levels, confidence, focus, discipline, muscle growth, mood, ambition, and even mental strength. But studies and experts have shown that testosterone levels in men have been dropping for years. And modern habits are making the problem worse. Think about how most people live today. Hours of scrolling. Constant stimulation. Late night sleeping. Processed food. No sunlight. No movement. No discipline. The human body was never designed for this kind of lifestyle. Years ago, life was different. People moved more. Worked physically. Spent time outside. And had far fewer distractions attacking their attention every second. But now, most people wake up and instantly check their phones. And that constant stimulation changes your brain over time. Your focus becomes weaker. Your discipline disappears. You stop feeling sharp. That's why so many young men feel exhausted without doing anything physically difficult. Their body is overstimulated, but underdeveloped. The body needs physical activity. Lifting weights. Running. Getting sunlight. But modern life pushes comfort everywhere. But too much comfort destroys ambition. Because discipline fights against modern weakness. Waking up early. Training your body. Sleeping properly. Reducing distractions. Constant comparison. Social media makes people feel like they're never enough. Someone always looks richer. Stronger. More successful. More attractive. Their confidence slowly collapses. That's why protecting your mind is just as important as protecting your body. Most people don't need more motivation. They need a healthier lifestyle. Better sleep. Better habits. More movement. Your body becomes stronger. Your mind changes too. Disciplined men often feel different from everyone else. Modern life is full of distractions designed to weaken focus and destroy attention. You must start protecting your habits. Protect your sleep. Protect your attention. Protect your body. Because the choices you repeat every day. And if you want more deep videos about mindset, discipline, psychology, and self-improvement, subscribe now and start upgrading your life.